All right, welcome back, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, contractor's contractor, OnlyWoodFloors. Hey, back over here. This is it's only been like 3 hours. We're here at this cottage in Newport Beach. But let me turn this around. We're sanding that Douglas fir, the original. It's been here since what, 1920 something. But let's turn this around. I want you to look at that, man. Oh, beautiful. Got my little Kimball. I'm still trying to learn this thing. Look at that. I think I can zoom in, zoom out. But anyway, let's go in here and take a look. Remember earlier it was all painted white? There's that white. So look at that. So once we're finished with this, this is the first sanding, so we got another 5 or 6 grades of paper. But man, this thing is just gonna, especially with the roof, the ceiling, and the natural wood, this thing is gonna be gorgeous. You're gonna have the cuts and the bruises, but it's over 100 years old. This wood had the carpet and then these little tiles that we put up the tiles, and they left this little black paper that we got to end up sanding that crap off. And we're even doing the closet. If I had known that, I would have told them no. But pretty cool, pretty cool. Got the wood coming. We're going to install that room downstairs. Just wanted to give you an update on this. Any questions, reach out to us. Hit us up on Messenger. You want a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Wood Floors? Let us know. All right, guys. Enjoy it. And we'll go to the beach.